so number 9 is another word problem. Number 9, Always Clean Car Wash charges a flat monthly fee of $20 plus $2.50 per car wash. Bubbly's Car Wash has a monthly fee of $25 plus a $2 per car wash. After how many car washes will Always Clean cost more than Bubbly's? Okay, so really here, again, like problem number 8, they're asking after how many car washes. So I'm looking for car washes. And car washes, I'm going to make it equal X. Okay, now I'm going to look for clues in the text. Okay, so Always Clean charges a flat monthly fee. So flat fee means we're not multiplying it by anything. It's just $20 plus, remember in math, plus is adding, right? $2.50 per, there's my per, which means times, car wash, which is my X. Okay? Now for Bubbly's, I'm going to do the same thing. So Bubbly's Car Wash, monthly fee of $25. So again, the flat fee, plus, there's my plus, and then $2 per times car wash, which is my X. Okay? So I'm going to do the same thing I did with problem 8. Okay, so for Always Clean, move it down here. Always Clean, within a month, I'm going to have $2.50 per car wash, or $2.50 times X. And then the flat fee of $20. So remember, plus the $20. So that's Always Clean. My other car wash is Bubbly's. So at Bubbly's, it's $25 and $2 per car wash, or 2 times X. Okay, so $25 plus 2 times X. Okay? Now they're asking me, right, car washes is X, so I am looking for X. However, I'm not looking for the car washes where Always Clean and Bubbly's are going to be equal to each other. I'm looking for how many car washes will Always Clean cost more than Bubbly's. So here's your inequality, right? More than. So Always Clean will be more than Bubbly's. Okay? So now I can solve. Now that I know it's an inequality, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. This thing doesn't let me zoom too much. There you go. Alright, so we're solving for X. Now I notice that I have X's on both teams, so I need to change that. I'm going to move this X over to that side. And to move it, I have to do the opposite. So minus 2x, that zeroes out. What I do to one side, I do to the other. Now notice here 2 is a whole number, while 250 is a whole and a decimal, right? So $2 would look like this over here. So be careful when you're subtracting those, and use your calculator to double check. So here I have $25. I still have my more than sign over here. And here now I'm going to have 50 cents, or 0.5x, plus 20. Okay, so here now we're at the party. Remember, the party means that it's 2 steps. The x is still not alone, so I'm going to have to get rid of whatever's added or subtracted first, and then at the end I divide. So here, plus 20, so that means that I have to get rid of the plus 20 first, and I'm going to do that by doing the opposite. So minus 20, and what I do to one side, I do to the other. So it's going to be 0.5x, still left. I'm going to circle the x. I still don't know what that is greater than, and over here I'm going to have 5. Okay, so now I have the variable and the coefficient, and if I want to split them up, I'm going to have to divide, right, because they're being multiplied if they're together like this. So I'm going to have to divide by 0.5, and that becomes a 1. Notice I'm dividing by a positive, so nothing happens to the sign. It stays. So 5 divided by 0.5. Okay, you can do this in the calculator during the test. If you want to do it manually, right, we don't like decimals, and even more so if they're in a fraction. So I want to make this as a whole number. And what I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. I moved it once. Here, if I don't see a decimal, it's hidden at the end, so I'm going to move it once. So this is the same thing as 50 over 5. What's 50 divided by 5? 10. So my answer is x is greater than 10. And this is a word problem, so I want to make sure it makes sense as a sentence. I was looking for the number of car washes where always clean will cost more than bubbly. So it would be for more than 10 car washes, right? Always clean costs more than bubbly. Okay, so I kind of abbreviated because I ran out of space. Okay, so for more than 10 car washes, or for more than 10 car washes, always clean costs more than bubblies, and that's what we were looking for. Remember, since this is an inequality, your answer is also an inequality. So the answer is not just 10. The answer is more than 10. That's what the answer is. So because this is an inequality.